In this guide, we will share with you 4 tested methods to recover deleted videos from iPad mini or Air or Pro or other series in detail. Method 1. How to retrieve deleted videos on iPad from recently deleted folder. Recently deleted folder is a built-in feature included in the Photos app on iOS 8 and later versions, which allows you to find deleted photos and videos within 30 days. Step 1. Open the Photos app on the iPad, tap Albums, and choose the recently deleted folder. Step 2. If there are videos inside this folder, tap Select and touch the videos you want to recover. Step 3. Click Recover to get them back to the Photos app. After that, you can back to the albums or photos to preview the recovered photos. Method 2. How to recover deleted videos from iPad without backup. If there is no backup, or if the video has been permanently deleted from the recently deleted folder, you can use iPhone Data Recovery to recover it. Step 1. Install and open iPhone Data Recovery on your computer and connect your iPad to the computer via USB cable. Next, click the Recover from iOS device mode from the left window. Step 2. Tap the Start Scan button to scan the iPad files. When it finishes, you will see all iPad data in classified categories on the interface. Step 3. Choose Camera Roll and App Videos from the left sidebar. Pull down to select the wanted videos and press the Recover button at the lower right corner to start recovering deleted videos to the computer. Method 3. How to find deleted videos on iPad from iTunes backup. If you have backed up your iPad to a computer via iTunes, the iTunes backup may include the deleted videos. You can restore the deleted videos to your iPad from the iTunes backup file. However, you cannot preview the backup file, and it often overwrites the existing data on your iPad. Step 1. Launch the latest version of iTunes and connect your iPad to the computer with a USB cable. For macOS X 10.15 or later users, you can open Finder. Step 2. Tap Trust on your iPad to authorize this computer. When it appears in the iTunes window, click the iPad icon, choose Restore Backup under the Summary tab, and select the most relevant backup file. Step 3. Hit Restore to start restoring the backup file to your iPad. Method 4. How to get deleted videos back on iPad from iCloud backup. If you have also regularly backed up your iPad to iCloud, you can restore the deleted videos from the iCloud backup. But this way will erase all the existing data on your iPad, which means data loss. Step 1. Go to iPad Settings, General Reset, erase all content and settings and follow the on-screen instructions to erase your iPad. Step 2. After the iPad restarts, follow the on-screen instructions to set up the device. When you reach the app and data screen, tap the Restore from iCloud backup option and sign in with your Apple ID. Step 3. Select the backup file that contains the lost videos and wait until the restoring process is over.